Setting up the Power Dolphin is fast and easy. To get started, head to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store and download the Vision Plus 2 app from PowerVision. Make sure the rubber gasket covering the SD card is in place before taking off to avoid unwanted water in the craft. Then insert the battery and secure it in place. Now let's prepare the Power Dolphin. Unfold the antennas, unlock the camera, and press the power button for 3 seconds. Pulsing blue indicator lights will illuminate and a chime will notify you that Power Dolphin is ready to connect. To connect the remote controller to the Power Dolphin, simply power on the RC by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. Once connected, the light on the Power Dolphin will change from pulsing blue to solid blue. You can connect your mobile device to the RC using a USB or Lightning cable. Place your device in the holder and connect the cable from the RC to your device. Then open the Vision Plus app. Place the Power Dolphin into the water and unlock the motors by using the unlock button on the RC. The lights on Power Dolphin will now change to green. The left command stick will move the Power Dolphin forward or backward, and the right command stick will move it left or right. Combine these two stick movements for easy navigation. At the top of the controller, we can control the camera angle and record photos and video. Power Dolphin is also equipped with intelligent features that allow it to return home if the battery is low or if the RC signal is lost or disconnected. You can also trigger this feature from the app or button on the remote controller. When you are ready to disembark, lock the motors on the Power Dolphin before removing it from the water. From the Vision Plus 2 app, we can also review and play back photos and videos that's stored on the SD card. Open up the album playback from the Vision Plus 2 app. Here we can watch recorded videos and view photos. We can also download directly to our mobile device for sharing. To see the full resolution photos and videos from the Power Dolphin camera, remove the micro SD card and insert it into a computer. Ensure the rubber gasket is always fully in place before you set sail again. Now you are ready to see above and below with Power Dolphin.